Well, New York City is mostly quiet tonight as many people are staying indoors and away from each other. CBS 2's Jessica Layton is live in Midtown with more. Jessica.
Hi there, Pat. Well, positive cases here in New York City went up to 154 today. Mayor de Blasio says in a city of 8.6 million, that shows the precautions we're taking here are really working. Still, the mayor acknowledged this coronavirus crisis is changing by the hour. As the nation and New York deal with an ever-increasing public health crisis, the crossroads of the world was eerily quiet for a Friday night.
It's so sad.
Visitors to Times Square weren't even sure there'd be anything to do in the city.
They were like, New York is closed down.
The most happening spot in any neighborhood right now, the grocery store. Long lines of anxious shoppers have left shelves bare everywhere.
Panic mode. People are terrified and they're unsure what to do, and I don't know, there's no sign of it getting better.
Marco Alverio heard places like Whole Foods take in new deliveries every night, but the staples like meat, bread, snacks, and paper towels are ravaged daily.
I don't know what to do because there's a lot of things I need.
Families who aren't freaked out yet flock to their public parks to let their kids be kids.
I think it's a lot of anxiety created by closing the schools, and kids don't really understand staying at home.
Whether to keep schools open is a debate that's dividing parents right now. This mother of three says the children need normalcy, but the hashtag #CloseNYC public schools is trending.
I think it's better for everybody to be safe, to be at home.
Mayor de Blasio has been taking heat and defended the decision to keep the majority of schools open unless a student or staff member at a specific school tests positive.
I understand the anxieties right now. I also understand that many parents want us to keep school open. Depend on it, need it, don't have an option.
Friday, attendance at city schools was just 68%, dropping drastically from Monday's 89% rate. The mayor says the discussion over keeping schools open is constantly evolving.
We're in the great unknown. There is nothing off the table, to say the least. But right now, based on what we know, I think this is the right thing to do.
The mayor says the city will be willing to make special accommodations for some of those teachers and staff in those high-risk groups that are worried about going to school where those buildings are so crowded. In the meantime, as you can imagine, this is causing feelings of helplessness and anxiety for so many people. The mayor says if you need to talk to a counselor, you can do that by calling 1-888-NYC-WELL. We're live in Midtown tonight. Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.